So a little over a year ago, I realized that I wasn't that good with women, and I read some material online. None of it really clicked with me. I couldn't really see myself doing any of the things that forums describe or suggest to improve your game. But I came across a website called thetaoofbadass.com, and I read through some of the stuff. It looked okay at first, but I started getting into it and I started applying it, and I noticed a tremendous difference in my ability to attract women. People were noticing it too. My friends said, "How did you get that girl to come up to you?" And I wasn't even sure at first, but I just realized I improved my sub-communication, I improved my confidence, I improved my style. Overall, I improved myself as a person, and getting women became so much easier. So if there's a product out there that I could recommend, it's got to be the Tao of Badass. It will improve your game. It will make you better with women. And if you want to see more, then I definitely suggest you click the link below, see for yourself.